Illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a palm tree. So go ahead and get your drawing materials together and we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our palm tree illustrations. The first thing that we're going to do is actually start with the trunk of our palm tree. So to do that, we're going to do a series of the same shape over and over again. So that will be the first one, and you can see it's just basically a zigzag here. And we're going to continue this in sections all the way to the bottom here. So we'll do a second one coming from underneath of this first one. And another one. Another. And one more, and you can see how we're slightly curving as we come down to the bottom here to create a nice arcing shape for our tree trunk. And at the very bottom, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to stabilize our tree just a bit here. Still going to use that same zigzag shape. There. We'll add a little patch of sand beneath our palm tree here as well. And to do that, we're just going to draw a fun shape around the bottom here. And whenever you draw sand, you can add a little texture by adding just a few dots. That'll just show that this isn't a flat surface that our tree is sitting on. All right, now we're going to work on the coconuts as well as the palms up top. So we're going to start by drawing a series of coconuts. So right here on the top of this line, we're just going to draw a circle here for one of our coconuts. And we'll do a curve for another and a curve for another. And we're not finishing those because those are going to be peeking out from behind our palm fronds here in a minute. All right, so the first one, these are going to be really fun to make. The first one, we're going to make a big curved line. And we want to make now another curved line that ends up back where we started from. But we're going to add a little texture in here and I'll show you what I mean. So as we make our way back, we're going to make a little zigzag here and then continue back to where we started from. We'll do that same thing over here, but this time we're going to add that zigzag on this bottom line instead of the top line. Change it up a little bit. And just like before, we're going to make a big arcing line that goes back to where we started from. And now we'll fill in with the rest. So this time we're going to make one that's going to peek out from behind here. Start with our curve line. And as we move back towards our coconut, we're going to add a little zigzag portion. And we'll do that same thing over here on this side. All right, for our top fronds, we're going to make a big curved line, and then as we come back in, we'll add a little zigzag detail as well. So big curved line, zigzag, and back in. And we'll be adding one final one here. We'll curve up and then come back in, being sure to add that little zigzag detail one last time here. So there's our curved line. And as we head back in, little zigzag. All right, illustrators, there is the outline of our palm tree drawing. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get some crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our palm tree illustrations. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today, everybody. I hope that you all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye.